Okay, morning guys. I'm just going to sign in to the chat. Obviously, it's just all right. Well, it's been a little while since I've started these. Just moved to Spain. But it's good to be back. We'll see what goes on today. I've had 2 weeks to settle in, kind of thing. So I'm just gonna now dig right into the charts and see what's going on. Okay, let's start on the bonds like we always do. We've got a bearish daily profile, so we're expecting the currencies to follow suit. We expect 6E probably to go down. If we have a look at the daily profile, I've already marked out some today anyway, but if we look at the daily profile on the currencies, we have a bearish daily profile, but 6S has taken the low, so we could see a daily mean reversion up to the 50%. Now changed my terminology a little bit, so it might sound a bit different. But yeah, anyway, looking for a daily mean reversion, and then we'll probably see a continuation because the monthly profile is bearish as well. If we take a look at the month, both sides have been taken. Okay, we got the monthly mean reversion in there as well because 6S is below, but we would need a little bit more confirmation. Drop down to the weekly profile. Both sides of liquidity is still in play. Let me just mark out that. Set up an alert for that, sorry. Just about to hit 7 AM London. Obviously I'm in Spain, so I'm an hour ahead now. Asia's ranged, so there's a tight range here, so we could say we would be expecting manipulation. We've got a daily cycle. If you can see here, 6S is below Asia high, sorry. So we have a daily cycle in a Q standard deviation. The 1 hour has whipped. We've got rejection from this level. 7 a.m. we can start looking to trade. So I'm going to mark the top, mark the high. Any of you watch my videos, you probably know what I want to see now, but we will go through this. It's coming up to 7 a.m. London, the Judas. I want to see one of these assets. Oh, we've got news at 7 a.m. on the pound. Okay, so let's give this 15 minutes to just because even that being said, that news is broken on the first candle, right? So rules state we've hit the daily mean reversion, but the rules state if this happens, we want to see something a little bit more cleaner, an inversion or something like that. Let me just change that. Okay, so on the news release, there's been a liquidity grab above the 7 a.m. range, 6 a.m. range, into a standard deviation though. We've got a level there. I think I might see what the 15-minute does. See if we get an accumulation on the 15 and we can then trade buy side liquidity above the 15-minute range high. That might be the option. A little bit more confirmation because this is already inverted through. I'm going to wait for this, wait for the 15-minute. Two of the assets are in standard deviation. We still have that daily cycle, 6-hour SMT. So while we are waiting for that, I'm going to just quickly mark out the index. Hope everyone can see that. Right, let's start on a monthly. Month 7, we're in July 21st. We've got a range profile, precision swing point at the top as well. We've got YM trading above previous month's high, so monthly mean reversion. We've still got the monthly there, you can see the mean reversion there. NQ has already traded through it, it's a weaker asset. Week, previous week. So range, we've got no change of state of delivery. We've got one here, but the other two assets are above previous week's high, so didn't actually get no confirmation of direction. We have got YM below previous week's low, so let's put the mean reversion in, the weekly mean reversion. It's already tapped on YM. Looked like that got mitigated yesterday. Been some good trading days on Monday, to be honest, not normally what I would normally get involved with, but maybe going forward I think because of the Iran war, the news is making it volatile on a Monday. Yes, we seem to have rejected the daily MR on ES and YM. Let's put the level in, let's go down to the smaller time frames. Weekly MR. Done that wrong, sorry, that's the weekly MR, not the daily. Donut. Right, now I'm going to go down to the daily. Looks like Monday range formed. If we look though, we've still got a level of liquidity here. Looks like ES took Monday's range. Let's have a little look. Above and above there. I would say our draw of liquidity is going to be NQ Monday's high. I was just looking for a bullish, I was just looking for a 3 candle model there. We got something forming here, thick full body candle. We could target the highs up here. It's 8:10. Let's just have a little look at okay, so we've got all up on the FX. 6S, 6B is above. Let's go on to the 15-minute. Mark out Asia. It's close. Had a massive expansion on NQ. I think it's just drawing up for that previous day's high. I won't even get involved until that level's gone. You could trade the 6-hour mean reversion of Asia. I'm going to put it in anyway. I've got 2 minutes until the 15-minute candle on FX. It's really hot in here. Now we're getting that confirmed sweep above. We've got the probe. We've got the first probe on the first candle. Now we're getting something build up a bit better, more cleanly. Let's mark in the 15-minute high now. Just want to be certain when that news goes. So how can I trade this? I'm just looking for a micro above this, a microcycle above this 15-minute high. Wick above, close below. Ideally Right, here we go. I look to trade on 6E, but I do have to be wary that if the price does come above this high, yeah, if price does come above this high and we get the microcycle on 6E, then more than likely we're going to sweep the 1 hour range high. I'll wait until that's gone as well. That has to clear, basically 6E will have to clear all that liquidity up here before I look to take a trade. If we're going to get above the 15-minute high. Not like we're doing a lot. Okay, here we go, 6E might be good reaching up for that level. All assets are in Q standard deviation as well. If you can see on the indicator there, all tapped in. Haven't got the daily cycle anymore, but we can still play. If we get the signal, that is. If price doesn't run above these highs and give us the micro, what's happened there? Discrepancy in the data there. Excuse me. We got an equal high there as well on 6E. So if 6E gets anywhere near that, I want to take all that buy side to go, and then we're going to start drawing down for this sell side because we have got a bearish daily profile. Opens here at 5 AM, so all the assets are above. lots of sideways price action. If you can see on the 1 hour there, they just stayed in this accumulation here. It's still been moves though. Okay. Let's see if this goes up, takes this buy side liquidity, fuel the move back down. Or if we're just going to carry on, keep on going up. It's a possibility. Just quickly having a look at the bonds. We've got all assets clearing that high now. That changes the changes what I want to see. All quite similar price action, all run above. Got S&T at the moment, but this is too close to say. Because we've created an equal there. I don't know why 6S is lagging this morning. Gonna wait for a little bit more confirmation on this now. The highs are both gone. We've got a what's that? Waiting for that, right? Okay, so this is gone. I don't know why it's still showing S&T. I'm waiting for an inversion now. On all three of the assets, I want to see this invert price below here and then go back up 15-second entry. Alright, we're getting this inversion on all the assets, well 2 out of 3 anyway. Just going to mark out a 15-minute low because we're about to hit 8:30, and if that runs a low, wick below, close above, right? So we just have to be careful of that. Don't know why that's still showing SMT there, something wrong with the indicator. Right, so the new 15-minute candle. Interesting start to Frankfurt. There's inefficiency here above that DMR, so we might, there's still a place to go up. Have we got inefficiency here? No, we've filled it all. What have we got here? Yeah, 6S has the same, doesn't it? So it's sufficient price action, come back, taking that. So we've got in a similar area to 6E. Could see us run the high, run a bit higher. Nothing I would take though. We've got no expansion. Even the 6 hour mean reversal. What's going on here? It's just trading higher. It's not giving me what I want to see. Shouldn't be getting that there. That should not be getting that signal above. It should be cancelled out. All the assets are above that high. I have to look into the code. What time is it now? We've got 8:35, 7:35 UK. Didn't like this inversion here. Didn't like this, the way this is built up below on this level. I wanted it to clear this level. You know, I wanted to see something like this. Because we'd already tapped into this inefficiency here with this candle. I wanted to see something clearer, take out some of this, then the 15 second, then we go down. It didn't get that, and we're seeing this now. That I think we're gonna probably push up a little bit higher. If that is the case, then I'll probably just wait until 8 AM to see what develops. What, 25 minutes? Yeah, here we go. That was a good read by me. Good read. I wasn't happy with that inversion there. That would have been I wasn't happy with that. I wanted to see a bit more. Just knew that price had tapped the low open, low, high, close, right? Probably going to see this high go now. There is a lot of liquidity below this low though, these 15-minute lows. Maybe we come back down, but at the moment we're respecting this. Oh, now we're fucking coming off. Got these equal highs built here. Let's check the CFDs. Okay, so we got the sweep on the CFD data, so that might actually be enough to take us down and take out this liquidity here now. Right, you see all this mitigations gone up here, then now we've had the final sweep. Might go back down. Oh yeah, we're getting some seller pressure coming in now. Maybe there might be a chance of re-entry, another entry. See how we get on. What we got? 15-minute accumulation, manipulation. Should distribute lower if it's going to go. But like I said, I want to see these lows go, and then a confirmation. And at the moment we've built, I know the CFDs is actually swept. Oh, what a slow Frankfurt, nothing's really going on. It suggests that 8 or 9 AM might be the time liquidity comes in the market. I'm seeing a drop there, what's going on? Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to restart the stream in about 10-20 minutes at 8 AM.